So, it's time to do the dishes. And whether you're doing it by hand or if you're using a dishwasher, which means you got to do it by hand first, and then the dishwasher just gets spots all over everything, sometimes you run into a little bit of trouble. Got some of the nasty, crusty stuff, you need to work some of that off. So I was thinking, you can use a little bit of man's engineering and take care of some of those issues. Hold on one second, let me get some pants on, and I'll show you what I mean. Now there are various tools you can use to get the nasty stuff off your dishes. Obviously there's scrub brushes, Brillo pads, and the occasional sponge. But I was thinking to myself that while they do a good job doing what they do, there's got to be a better way, maybe an easier way. So I was doing the dishes the other day. I was looking in one of these mugs and seeing all the nasty stuff that rings the top and cakes the bottom. And it's kind of difficult to get at. And I thought, there's got to be a better way. Well, there is. Since I'm a guy, it turns out the better way is power tools. I'll explain. First, I had to get a brush. It's kind of circular here, and I'll explain in a moment why that's important. And, of course, power drill. What we're going to do, very simple. We're going to put this into this. Doesn't seem to fit. There's a way around that problem. We're men. Man's engineering says there's a problem, look for the simplest solution, get the job done. Happen to have a simple solution with me. Now with the proper use of the tin snips at the base of the handle, I'm able to lop off what I don't need, and then the smaller diameter of the handle I can easily go and fit into my drill. I made sure that the chuck opened up the aperture wide enough that I could stick it in, tighten it down, and away we go. A little bit of water, a little bit of soap, a little bit of elbow grease is going to pimp smack the ugly clean off your nasty dishes. Now bear in mind, water plus electricity equals a bad time for you. Another thing to keep in mind is that this spinning brush is going to kick water all over the place, so if you don't want to wear this nasty dishwater, keep it below the top level of the sink. Well, that's it. Pretty simple. Now, it's not going to address all of your dish dilemmas, and that really wasn't my point. But I did want to address a couple of very specific, very annoying things that happen to come along with doing dishes. And besides, I got a chance to use power tools, which is always fun. Until next time.